What is this, Eleanor? What is this? Hi, boop. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this. We're gonna call it a doggy trash can. Ooh, everybody's checking it out now. They figuring out what it is? This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this is pretty nice. Oh, it fell down. This is pretty nice. It's a little outdoor dog trash can that you use, of course, to put, you know, the number 2s into can. It comes with the can itself, which is made out of it feels like stainless steel. It's made out of metal. When you open it up, it's got a bucket inside that you can pull out, making it really easy to empty, but it gets even better. It comes with these trash bags that fit perfectly into this bucket. Let me show you. Oh, the wee-woos went by. I hear the neighbor dog howling. Hear him? Anyway, so the trash bags that come with it fit perfectly. This is a small size trash can, so you could pretty much buy any small size trash bags. They're gonna fit in here pretty well. I'm gonna put it back in here in a minute. It does also come with a scooper, which is one of the, pull the handle and it opens up, which is really nice. And then it comes with another little portable trash bag carrier, which is, you can clip on your leash or whatever. We're gonna put this back in here and show you how it looks all put together. Okay, so we're gonna use the little trash bag holder to demonstrate this, right, Kira? So basically, pull the little handle here, pick your stuff up, come over here. Look at this. Look out, Kira. It's not what you think it is. Look, push this, lid opens, drop inside, let it go. And it's a soft close lid. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. This is gonna be really nice for the backyard. We actually thought about putting this one in the RV and taking it with us for when we go camping. But yeah, that is a nice doggy trash can. What do you think? Do you approve, Memphis? Memphis says, I approve of this doggy trash can.